Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today I've got a 2011 Ford F-150 XLT. It's got the chrome bumper, it's got the fog lights, it's got a leveling kit on it, it's got these semi-aggressive tires, it's got the chrome alloy wheels. Silver, it's got the chrome rear bumper, also the chrome trimmed lights, little tow hitch there. Bed's in great shape, no major dents. Inside, pretty clean. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We've got cloth seats, up to 6 passenger. This center console will fold up into a seat. Otherwise, you got storage and a cup holder. It is a shoulder strap seat belt, so you've got 6 shoulder strap seat belts. Down here, you got a little thing that will go in or out for the cup holders. We've got a brand new Pioneer radio in there. It also comes with the ability to hook up a mic and a little remote for it. We've got power port, your air controls, headliner looks good, got your cruise control on the steering wheel. Let's see, I think I left the keys inside. I was going to start it up for you. It's got 167,000 miles. Sometimes we open the door up. There you go. 167,143 on the mileage. It's got the 5.0 liter V8 engine in it. The carpet is great. Super clean. A couple of stains on the seats. It can take flex fuel. Door panel's in good shape. Carpet's in great shape. Does have the books that come with it. Another 12-volt charging port there. Pop the hood for you, let you take a look underneath. Lots of room to work on this engine. Again, the 5.0 V8, plenty of power. Little layer of dust, but overall really clean. Let me grab that key real quick and we'll start it up for you. Key has lock, unlock, and alarm on it. You can hear the air works great. Radio's good. No warning lights on the dash. No check engine light, no transmission lights, nothing like that. This one's ready for a new home. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out an application, and I'll get you approved on it. Remember, trust the duck.